Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to say modeling and animation using Maya, how we can model the animation. In this picture you can see the simple hand using Maya techniques. We use the number of polygon tools, NURBs and everything for designing a simple hand. You can see the modeling of simple hand in the Maya. How we can model the simple hand using Maya? The first one, we have to reference and planning. Before starting and gather visual reference of human hand, plan the basic structure including the palm, finger and joints. Understand the anatomy will help you to create a more accurate and realistic model. Second one is create a base shape. Begin by creating a basic shape of plan. Use the polygon primitive in Maya such as cube or sphere to shape the main volume of the hand. Adjust the size and proportion to match your reference. Next one is extrude the fingers. Extrude face from the base shape to create the fingers. Start with a single extrusion for each finger and then refine the shape gradually. Use the scaling and translation tools to adjust the length, width and position of each finger. Next one is defining the finger joints. Introduce joint to present the joints of the finger. Create these joints at the base of each finger and under the points where each finger bends. This helps is crucial for later rigging and animation. Next one is refining finger shapes. Continue refining the shapes of each finger, ensuring a gradual tempering towards the tips. Use the scale and move tools to shape the finger realistic considering the natural curvature of the hand. Next one is model thumb. Model thumb separately paying attention to its distinction structure. The thumb nearly has to join, making it more flexible. Attach the thumb to the palm in a way resemble the anatomy of a human hand. Next is detail the palm. Add details to the palm by extruding face and adjust the geometric. Pay attention to the area where the finger meets the palm as it should have a natural anatomic accurate appearance. Fine-tune geometry. Spend time fine-tune the overall geometry of the hand. Adjust vertex, edges and faces to create smooth transition between different parts of the hand. Ensure that the model has the nature and organic shapes. Next, UV unwrapping. Prepare the model of texturing by UV unwrapping. This involves creating a 2D layout of the 3D geometric, making it is easier to appear texture accurately. Use the UV editor in Maya for these tips. Next one is texture and shading. Apply texture and shaders to enhance the visual appearance of the hand. You can use the image texture or procedure shader. Next, rigging. It is if you plan to animate the hand, consider rigging it. Next is finalize and review. Once satisfied with the model, take some time to review and make any necessary adjustment. Check the overall proportion, anatomy, accuracy. In this, next one is creating area of detail polymesh. We have to use this axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Next one is how we can create a mesh. Select the base mesh, identify area for detail, subdivide the mesh, extruding and beveling the mesh, sculpting tools, normal and displacement maps, edges, loops and rings, fine-tune with soft selection, UV mapping of texture. Next one is modeling the complex object. In this we have to reference and research, plan and breakdown, create a rough base, utilize the primitive shapes, recursion and beveling, edges, loops and rings, boolean operation, sculpting and deformation tools, subdivision surface, iteration process, group and organize. Next is steam locomotive and production process of boiler engine. Here what are the things we have to see? That is reference gathering, planning and analysis, creating a base cylinder, extrusion for detailing, incorporating pipes and connectors, beveling and edges loop, Next one is Boolean operation, reference material for gauges and detail, UV mapping, test render, fine tuning and iteration, grouping and organization. Next one, in this for a locomotive for steam engine, we have to plan, we have to do step by step process of these 11 steps for getting the fine output.